Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here, back with Card Sketch Challenge number 30. This time around, again, I've got a selection of dies that I have actually gone ahead and pre-die cut. Then I've got a selection of papers from a pad by First Edition called Bloom and Wonder. Lots of fancy pants papers in that one. Now the card, as ever, is 6x4, that's 6 inches by 4 inches, and the sizes of all the different layers and circles and so on are provided in the free download that accompanies this video. You can get that from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. As always, I'm using Pinflair bookbinding glue to stick the layers down when they're going on flat, because it's low moisture and quick grab. As always, these cards are a serving suggestion, so if you don't have these particular papers, please feel free to use whatever you've got in your scrap box, in your saved for best box, whatever card stash that you've got available, feel free to use that. Now I'm sticking a die cut sentiment onto the sentiment panel before I stick that sentiment panel down, because I wanted to know where to position the circle on it. And to position that circle, I'm just putting a little bit of glue on the bottom right corner, and then I can basically smush that on. And the reason for this is because I want to actually stick this combination of shapes to the card using foam pads to raise it up off of the card. Can't believe I tried to use my fingers when the tweezers are right there. Anyway. Just sticking that down, and then I've die cut a little envelope shape, stuck a heart to it, and then I'm going to pop that on with a foam pad. Love letter, how cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. I know it was a quick one, but quickies are sometimes better than just a full-on session. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, and hope to see what you make soon.